Hi guys, welcome back to Flora Fun and Food. My name is Lauren and today we're gonna make homemade sauerkraut. It's super easy, let me show you how.
First step is to core your cabbages, and that's just taking out that little bottom root piece. And then I slice these up into small wedges just to get them to fit into my food processor. And then I use my medium sized blade just to shred the cabbage. Next time I might use a bigger one to have longer strands of it. This was more of like a coleslaw consistency, but I think it'll be really good, and that way it's going to be usable for a lot of different toppings and things. So once you get all of your cabbage shredded, stick it into a large bowl, and you need to weigh it because the weight is going to tell you how much salt to use. And so for every pound of cabbage, you need 2 tablespoons of salt. This is what's going to help it ferment with the natural bacteria on the cabbage itself. So I had 8 pounds of cabbage, so I used 16 tablespoons of salt. After you get that together, you need to mix it by hand and massage it in for about 5 minutes. And then it's time to pack it into jars. So just smush it down in there as much as you can get. The liquid that comes out does need to go in the jar as well, so top it off. And I use these glass weights and these fermentation lids that just help it burp. And there you have it. This was the easiest way to preserve cabbage. Homemade sauerkraut. It's going to be delicious. It's going to take about 4 weeks to ferment and get sour. After that, I'm going to stick it in the fridge and use it up. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and head over to my channel to subscribe for more content like this. And I hope to see you again very soon. Thanks, guys. Bye.